Hi guys. How to fix Microsoft Store not opening. Now, open the Windows Start menu and select Settings. Go to Time and Language, then Date and Time, and make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. This prevents annoying sync errors that break the Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key and search for Microsoft Store, but don't open it yet. Instead, right-click on Microsoft Store and select App Settings. This hidden menu is where the real fixes live. Scroll down until you see the Terminate button and click it. This fully closes any stuck background processes that might be freezing the store. Keep watching because the next step is even more powerful. Now, under the Reset section, click the Repair button first. Here is the secret. If Repair doesn't work, click Reset and confirm. This clears the store's cache and data without deleting your apps. Most people skip Repair and go straight to Reset, but that's a mistake. If the problem still isn't fixed, press Windows key plus R, type WSReset.exe in the Run box, and press Enter. A black command window will pop up. Don't close it. It runs automatically and will eventually reopen the Microsoft Store like magic. Hit subscribe for more Windows tips that actually work.